Once upon a time, in a kingdom surrounded by green hills and tall trees, there was a very pretty princess named Cinderella. People from near and far knew her for her beauty, kindness, and smarts. Cinderella had a good heart, just like the clear streams that flowed through her father's kingdom. But she wanted more than just staying in the castle all the time. In the same kingdom, there was a young man named Peter. He wasn't a prince, but he was really clever. Peter's sharp thinking and determination made him well known in the kingdom. Even though he came from a simple family, Peter wished to help his kingdom. One day, a big problem came to the kingdom. A scary dragon with dark scales came down from the mountains. The dragon breathed fire and had sharp claws that hurt everyone. The king got worried and said he'd give a reward to anyone who could get rid of the dragon. Cinderella, who loved her people and wanted to show she was more than just a pretty face, said she'd go fight the dragon. Everyone was surprised to see the princess in armor, holding a sword, ready to save the kingdom. But before she left, Peter, who was also determined to save the kingdom, came to her. He had studied a lot about dragons and had a plan. Cinderella saw how smart and determined Peter was, so she agreed to work together. They journeyed to the dragon's home high up in the mountains. Cinderella showed bravery, and Peter's smart plan helped them fight the dragon. They fought hard, and in the end, they won. The dragon was defeated. The whole kingdom was happy when they came back, and Cinderella and Peter were seen as heroes. The king, really impressed by their courage and brains, asked them to be his advisors. As time went on, Cinderella and Peter's friendship grew into love. When the king got old, he saw that Cinderella and Peter had the qualities of good leaders. He decided to step down from being king and gave the throne to the two young heroes. Cinderella and Peter became the new rulers, bringing wisdom and happiness to the kingdom. So, the beautiful princess and the smart young man who had saved the kingdom now ruled it together, with love and a dream for a better future. Their reign showed that bravery and cleverness can make great leaders, and the kingdom thrived under their wise rule for many years.